Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on Binance. First, you'll need to set up your Binance account. Begin by registering with your email or phone number, then complete the essential identity verification process. This step is crucial for security and full platform access. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication to protect your assets. These initial steps ensure a secure and compliant trading experience on the platform. Once your account is ready, the next step is to fund your Binance wallet. You have several options for depositing funds. You can use fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros, via a bank transfer or a credit/debit card payment. Alternatively, if you already own other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can deposit those directly. Always double-check that your chosen currency is supported for deposits to avoid any issues. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy USD. Head over to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance platform. Here, you'll select USD as the cryptocurrency you wish to acquire. Choose your preferred payment method, whether it's fiat currency from your bank or another crypto you've deposited. Enter the exact amount of USD you want to purchase, then review the transaction details carefully before confirming your order. After initiating your purchase, a confirmation screen will appear. It's vital to review all the transaction details, including the amount, price, and any fees, before giving your final confirmation. Once confirmed, your newly acquired USD will be promptly credited to your spot wallet on Binance. You can then use your USD for various purposes, such as trading other cryptocurrencies, staking, or participating in other Binance services. Congratulations on your purchase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.